Hello, my name is Polina Reitman. I'm a costume designer and fashion stylist, and today we are at Mary Meyer Clothing Boutique in Brooklyn, New York. And the question I'm going to answer is, how do you fold up your button-up shirt sleeves? Fun question. My model is going to demonstrate today. She's wearing a long sleeve shirt. We've already unbuttoned her cuffs. After you do that, you fold it up the width of what the cuff is. So first you fold up the cuff exactly where it is, like over the seam. And then you basically keep rolling it up the width of that cuff. You could roll it up twice, 3 times, whether you want it longer or shorter. It's a personal preference, but it's just a fun look. It's a bit more casual than just wearing it all buttoned up, buttoned at the sleeves, buttoned everywhere else. So again, a good option, a quick, easy, basic option is you unbutton the cuff, you roll up the cuff once, and then you keep rolling it the width of that cuff, the width of the cuff of the shirt. My name is Polina Reitman, and I just answered the question, how do you fold up sleeves on a button-up shirt? You can find me online at Polina Reitman. Thank you for watching.